wide muscular back is not built overnight. It is forged with discipline and heavy lifts. Start your workout with pull-up to warm up and engage your let's move T-bar row for the mid-back thickness. Then hit single arm dumbbell row to balance strength on both sides to lat pull down for which and finishing strong with deadlift to build raw power and density. Keep your core tight, squeeze at the top and control every movement. A strong back not only looks dominating but also improve your strength in every other lift. Your back define your power.